How to get 1099 INT from PNC Bank. Open the website Pencom. Then click Sign On. On the drop-down window, sign in with your user ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account list. Under Account, List is an option for Virtual Wallet. Click on your virtual wallet. On this page you will see an option for View All Activity. Click on View All Activity. Now you will see the list of available account statements. Click on the particular statement you wish to get. Lastly, click the date of the statement. Then it will be automatically downloaded, and you will be able to view the selected statement. That's how you get your online statement from PNC Bank. Thanks for watching.